Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner. And today I have got another unbagging, and it is another budget-friendly diamond painting from Amazon. Alright, so I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers out there. I appreciate every single one of you and all of you who has shown me some love and support on my Etsy store, Just Minder Business. I appreciate every one of you. All right, so this is what I got from Amazon, and it came in this little snap package. Now, I haven't opened any of these, or I haven't opened this. I just took it out of the, Amazon box. They send you a little diamond painting like this in a box that's big enough for a microwave. I honestly don't understand that, but okay, whatever. Some of them boxes I reuse for my grandkids, and I thought it would be a good idea to make like little doll houses with the cardboard boxes. So anyway, it came in this little snap bag, and it's a plastic, but it's not that thin plastic. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's see. What did I get? All right, it come with instructions, the toolkit. Wow, a thank you card. All right, let me get this rolled backwards. It is poured glue. Now, let me see. This is the image that I got. And as you can see, it is a partial. And it is the special drills. So, let me see. I gave $4.99 for this. Isn't it pretty? All right, now let's see what all this is. All right, so it comes with a sheet with your instructions. This is actually nice, y'all. Wanderlust with butterflies is what it's called. And Home XS Made with Love is their logo. Isn't that pretty? All right, and it is a 24 by 34 centimeter. But the canvas size, the design size, just the picture, is a 24 by 34. The whole thing is a 30 by 40. And it is distributed by XS Home. And it tells you what you get. It has a barcode. It's designed in Canada. Made in China. And then on the back, we have all the instructions. Some tips. Their website. So it's pretty cool. And then they also send a thank you. And it says, thank you for letting us sparkle your life with our diamond painting. And that is so pretty. And it's just a little thank you. And it's got their Amazon. It's got their website. It's got a QR code. That is really cute. All right, so let's look at the toolkit. All right, so you get one of the good Mosfa boats. Now, before I got my Muni Maids, I used to love these boats. Even though they're so small, I really did like these. All right, so you get a single placer pen. You get, if I can get this back open, You get a pair of plastic cheapo the tweezers. Let's see. They give you a rubber band and a few baggies and a square of wax. So it's not a bad kit. It's better than the green boat kit. But I do like those Mosfa trays. Those are really nice trays. So let's look at these gems, y'all. Alright. I love these special gem, rhinestone, whatever y'all want to call them. I absolutely love them. So we have clear. We have a very light blue, if y'all can see that. We have a little bit of a darker blue. And then we have a darker blue. An even darker blue. We have pink. And then we have some, yes, more blue. Then we have some white pearls. And then we have some bigger, these are like a fuchsia, I think, pink. And, ooh, look at those, y'all. I hope y'all can see this because my lighting is not great. Those are so pretty. And then we got some pinkish teardrops. Ooh, look at that. Look at those purple stars. And then we've got these that are purplish pink. Wow. I so love these things. And I even like it even better when I have leftovers. You can do so many things with this. Alright, so it has the XS001 on the bags, which is also the number, the canvas number. Alright, so set those to the side. Alright, so their canvas, it's pliable, but it's a little stiff. But it has their little logo up here in the right hand corner. It has the schematic in the top left, which looks like it has, I didn't even have that in the camera shot. But it looks like right here, they have got codes. I just wish I knew what they were. Well, it's probably, they're all codes, but I just don't know what they are. I really, 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 really need a DMC, or not a DMC, but the chart that goes with this gem numbers. I know y'all get tired of hearing me say that, but I'm going to say it until I can find one. Alright, so on the bottom, it has their logo in the bottom left. It has the design size, the canvas size, and it says designed in Canada. And again, the number, or the name of this canvas is Wanderlust with Butterflies. So, let's bring you down. And again, like I said, I gave $4.99 for this canvas. So we're going to have the stars, of course, are going to go there. And it is a partial, so none of this is sticky because we don't do nothing on there. It's just sticky in the areas that we drill. But y'all, this is just really a nice canvas. It really is. And it's so pretty. And it's going to have right down the middle of the butterfly, those long iridescent looking gems that we just seen. And then look at the girl. Now her face isn't drilled, But isn't she cute? And then we have some flowers down here. Wow. Some butterflies. This is just darling. It really is. Very, very cute. And like I said, very clear. This is just so sweet. This would be cute in a nursery or in a little girl's room. Very cute. All right, y'all, what do you think? Have anybody done this canvas or even heard of this company? This is a first for me. But I think that was, you know, it's just the small things that mean a lot, you know? Just these little touches. So, all right, y'all. I think that's going to be it for this video. And until my next one, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.